Hello, and welcome to First Position Play Along number 5. Today, we'll be learning the song Moonrise. This video will not only teach you how to play the song, but it will teach you how to practice any song. We'll start by listening to the full song. Then, we'll break it into chunks, and then there will be some extra practice tips if you need some extra help. For about 10 to 15 minutes a day, alternate between the listening, chunking, and practice tip sections of the video until you can play each chunk 3 times in a row with a steady, clear sound. Once you can do that, you'll be ready to perform the song with the backup band at the end of the video. Here's the song we're learning, Moonrise. Listen very closely to how long each note is. Let's break our song into chunks. Here's chunk 1, listen closely. Let's sing and slide that together, starting with our position numbers. 1, 2, ready, sing. 6, 4, 3, 1, 4. Second time now, make sure to hold that last note just as long as I do. 1, 2, ready, sing. 6, 4, 3, 1, 4. Now we'll sing it on our note names, starting with our C all the way in 6th. 1, 2, ready, sing. C, D, E flat, F, G. Now let's play that together 3 times. Take that deep O breath in. 1, 2, breathe. Second time now. Ready, breathe. Last time, again, make sure to hold that last note all the way for 4 beats. 1, 2, deep breath. Now we're ready for chunk 2. Listen closely. Now we'll sing that 3 times, starting with our position numbers. 1, 2, ready, sing. 1, 4, 3, 1, 4, 6, 4. Again, ready, go. 1, 4, 3, 1, 4, 6, 4. Now we'll sing it with our note names, starting with F in first. 1, 2, ready, sing. F, G, E flat, F, D, C, D. Now let's play that together. Have that snappy slide with a clear ta as we play. 1, 2, O breath. Second time now, O breath. Third time now, O breath. Now let's put chunks 1 and 2 together. Let's try singing it on our note names. Starting with our C in 6th. 1, 2, ready, sing. C, D, E flat, F, G. F, G, E flat, F, Now let's play that together. Again, remember to hold that first G all the way for 4 beats. 1, 2, O breath. Now let's move on to chunk 3. Listen and hear if it's the same, similar, or different to something you've already heard. What did you hear? You should have heard it is exactly the same as chunk 1. Maybe you're beginning to notice that a lot of these songs follow the same pattern, where 1 and 3 are either the same or similar, and 2 and 4 are very similar also. So let's practice this by singing and sliding on our note names. 1, 2, ready, sing. C, D, E flat, F, G. And now we'll play that. Deep O breath in. 1, 2, breathe. And finally, we're at chunk 4. Listen and watch very carefully. Let's sing and slide that together on our position names. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 4, 3, 6, 4, 1, 6. Second time now, ready, sing. 1, 4, 3, 6, 4, 1, 6. And now we'll say that on our note names, starting with F in first. 1, 2, ready, sing. F, D, E flat, C, D, B flat, C. Now let's put chunks 3 and 4 together. Let's try that by saying our note names while we sing. 1, 2, ready, sing. C, D, E flat, F, G. F, D, E flat, C, D, B flat, C. And now we'll play that together. Deep O breath in, check that posture. Each note gets a nice clean ta. 1, 2, ready. Now you know the whole song. Feel free to go back and practice those chunks as much as you need, or go on ahead to our practice tips. Chunks 2 and 4 in this song can seem irregular and hard to remember. However, they do follow patterns from our snappy slide studies. In the moment though, we can practice this by doing chunks of adding one note at a time. We'll do this through Simon Says, repeat after me. Together. My turn. Together. My turn. Together. My turn. let's try this with chunk 4. Again, repeat after me. Together. My turn. Together. My turn. Together. My turn. Together. My turn. Together. Repeat this part of the video as many times as you need until you get used to the pattern and jumps. If you're having problems with the whole note G, try our tips from the last video of glissing and getting louder up to the note. A deep O-breath will go a long way to help. Now that you've practiced each chunk, let's play the whole song together. If you played along with me in rhythm with a clear sound and snappy slide, now you get to play with the backup band. There will be reminders on the screen, but now it's time to show what you know. Great job learning your 5th song, Moonrise. Once you can play Moonrise 3 times in a row confidently with a clear sound, then you'll be ready to move on to the next song. There is sheet music in the description if you can already read sheet music, or you can try reading the sheet music now that you know how the song goes. Keep up the great practice, and I'll see you for our next song.